Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Nate Lind here, your friendly online business broker, and today we're diving into one of the most crucial steps in selling your business. Assessing your business's readiness for sale. Or, as I like to call it, the business equivalent of deciding if your house is ready for that big open house party. Spoiler alert, you can't just shove everything into the closet and hope for the best. First things first, let's get one thing straight. Selling your business isn't like selling your old baseball card collection on eBay. Nope, this is more like prepping your baby for the most important interview of its life. So, how do you assess if your business is ready to sell? Great question. Let's dive in. Step 1. Financials. You need to have your financial ducks in a row. And by ducks, I mean clean, well-organized financial statements. If your financials look like my teenage son's room, we've got some work to do. Potential buyers want to see a clear and accurate picture of your business's financial health. So, pull out those dusty spreadsheets and get ready to tidy up. Step 2. Operations. Take a good, hard look at your operations. Are they streamlined, or do you have more bottlenecks than a traffic jam on a Friday afternoon? Smooth and efficient operations are a major selling point. If you're still managing everything with sticky notes and a prayer, it might be time to upgrade to some proper business management software. Before we get to step 3, let's take a quick break for a short testimonial from one of my happy clients who successfully sold their business with my help. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
The buyer that purchased us, I talked to them on a Friday, and then Monday they made an offer, a LOI, and I didn't think it was real. I had to read it over like 5 or 6 times because I just didn't think it was real. But I was amazed at the speed. I came to you and I wanted to sell my business for a certain number. As a matter of fact, you evaluated it at a higher number. We actually got that number. So that was pretty exciting. But it just seemed like when I talked to you, you were much more knowledgeable than previous brokers I've worked with in the past.
And we're back. Hope you enjoyed that little success story. Now on to step 3, customer base. Buyers want to see a stable and loyal customer base. If your customers are more like fair weather friends, coming and going as they please, it might be time to invest in some customer loyalty programs. Show potential buyers that your business has a strong foundation of repeat customers who keep the cash flowing. Step 4. Market position. How does your business stack up against the competition? Are you a big fish in a small pond, or just another guppy in the ocean? Understanding your market position and having a solid growth strategy can make your business much more attractive to buyers. Step 5. Legal and compliance. Make sure all your legal documents are in order. Contracts, permits, trademarks, you name it. If you've got skeletons in your legal closet, now's the time to deal with them. Nobody wants to buy a business only to discover it's haunted by past legal issues. All right, folks, those are the basics of assessing your business's readiness for sale. Remember, getting your business ready to sell is a lot of work, but that's where I come in. As an experienced online business broker, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check out the description below for a link to get a copy of my book, Maximum Exit, the definitive guide for internet and technology-focused business founders. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, happy selling.